Oh my God, Taylor! Now turn around. Oh my goodness. Holy Moses. Oh my gosh, Taylor! And you know how to stop too? No way! Okay, go again.
Show us.
Roxy! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And how long did it take her to learn? Like a day? She knows not to go to the street, right?
We only rode for maybe an hour.
Oh my God! Oh.
Good job, your first time off-roading.